Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your DELL Latitude 7410 isn't turning on. So the most common reason why your device isn't turning on is that it's simply discharged, and in such case make sure that you firmly inserted your charging cable into your computer, the other side of the charging cable into the AC adapter, and the AC adapter is firmly inserted into your power outlets. Make sure of all of that. Let your device charge for a little bit, and then short press the power button to start it. And if it's still not turning on, maybe your battery is drained out, or maybe there is some problem with your charging peripherals. So check your charging cable, check your AC adapter for any visible damage on it. If you can, try replacing it with another one, but make sure that your AC adapter provides your device with at least 65 watts, because it's what your PC requires. And to check how many watts your device provides, if you don't see the watt number here, check the output, and for the output check the maximum value of volts and check the amperes amount, and just multiply one number by the second one. In my case it's 20 by 4.5, which makes 90. So this adapter can provide the computer with 90 watts of power, and that's what it also says on this barcode, 90 watts. And so yeah, this adapter provides my device with enough battery power. It's not an original one, but I highly recommend you using an original one. If you're not using an original AC adapter, then then make sure of the watts amount, and also make sure that it's from a reputable distributor, because some cheap AC adapters may actually break your device's battery. And if AC adapter isn't a problem and you tried a different AC adapter and it worked for your PC, then maybe it's the battery issue. So in such case the only solution is to replace the battery. You can either, well, I highly recommend taking your device to the service and letting them take care of your battery and replacing it. So if you are a professional, you can also do it yourself. You can order the battery on the official DELL website, far as I know, and I don't think it's available everywhere, but generally it's something that they sell, their original batteries. And also make sure, well, no, that's not what I wanted to say. If your device was exposed to an extremely hot or extremely cold temperature conditions, in such case you're gonna have to first leave your device for up to 12 hours, basically, so up to half a day, to just recover without charging, so that all the hardware can return back to normal temperature, and only then plug in the charging cable and start charging your device. And once it's charged a little bit, try starting it. If you poured some kind of liquid on your device, then in most cases you're gonna have to take your device out to the service, to the repair center, for them to fix it, or just to buy yourself a new laptop. Sometimes it's more sometimes it's even cheaper to buy a new laptop, and you can just extract the SSD from yours, from this one. But if you port liquid on your device, you're gonna have to put it this way, like a tent, and just leave it be like this, so that the liquid can get out of your device, and leave it like this for I don't know, a day, around a day, so that all the liquid can get out. Or it's if it's some kind of if it's a cola or any other kind of sugary liquid, the sweet liquid, it's probably not gonna help you out at this point. So you're gonna have to carry out your laptop as fast as you can to the service center, the repair center, and ask if they can help you out with this problem, because sometimes they don't want to take to grab a wet device and cleaning it, but some other repair services actually do that. That's basically all the recommendations. So if you couldn't start your device and you don't know what the problem is, and you checked the AC adapter, the cable, then in other cases, if you poured liquid on your device, if you exposed it to extreme temperature conditions, or if you didn't do any of that but your laptop is simply not starting, it's probably the battery issue at this point. And either way, you either have to take your device to the repair center or reach out to the Dell customer support service and explain this issue to them, so that they can provide you with future steps on fixing your device. So at this point, I think that's it for the video. I really hope that my advice helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.